just like my ugly girl.
We got my nigga Daddy Yankee in the building. Hey, we got my nigga. I just asked my nigga, can I get an interview? He said no, so I had to whoop him on the low through the bottles. Yes, sir. We got my nigga Daddy Yankee in the building. You know, every other day, we got somebody in the control room, famous celebrity. Yeah, we got Daddy Yankee in here. He don't want to give a nigga interview. That's cool, too.
Nah, man. Get to pay your dues, man.
Hey, you going on YouTube. How about that? Signing up out of here. Another celebrity for y'all. Daddy motherfucking Yankee. Where's the Yankee at?
What?